All right, y'all, so back with another video. I was actually on my way to the gym, heard the doorbell ring, and obviously you see I got a package. It's from Sling Mods. Not 100% sure what it is at this moment. I've ordered quite a few things, so let's go ahead, unbox it, and yeah, let's just see what's up. All right, so here we go. First performance mod for the Ryker. This is little performance, y'all. I'm speaking only about maybe 3 horsepower or something like that. But you're gonna get better airflow, and that's the name of the game. Better airflow equates to better horsepower, and I mean that's the name of the game, baby. Airflow. So got a high performance air filter. Should be very easy to install. This will actually go in on the CVT side as well. And yeah, so I just went ahead and ordered it for the air intake side. I'm not sure if I wanted to go with the full breather that you're normally seeing on a lot of the Rykers now, just because it's an open system, and I don't know if I want to do an open system and exposing it to rain and things like that, because you never know where you're going to be, and having an open air intake system and you still have to be on the interstate and it starts to rain, it doesn't seem like that's a good thing for me. So that's why I went with this instead of a breather. All right, so your air intake side is going to be on the left side. Your CVT transmission is going to be on the right. The transmission side is very easy to open. The intake side is a little bit more troublesome, just a little bit, only because you have to get those clips. Whereas on the other side, you just have to unscrew that little tab. So on here, let's see if we can, kind of hard for me, but there's some tabs underneath that you just have to pop open. You just bring it back towards you. So let's get that going now. And then we're gonna pop in the filter. So here's the 2 filters side by side. The difference is this newer one, this K&M, it looks a little bit smaller. You look like you get more surface area with the original stock. So it makes you feel like it's a bigger filter. You get a little bit more airflow. This one is a little bit smaller feeling, and it's actually heavier too. It's got a lot more weight to it, but it's nice. It's also pre-oiled and everything like that, so you don't have to really worry about oiling or anything like that. I have a recharge kit already, and I got it from Advanced Auto a long time ago because I have a aftermarket filter in all of my vehicles. So I didn't have to order that, but you can order it from Sling Mods, the recharge kit for when you clean it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, plug this in, and how you do that, you can see how it looks. Boom. Fits right in there, perfect. Now all you got to do is click it back in and you're done. So before we click it in, I just wanted to go over, so you see your raised edge here, that's actually going to sit right up top of here. So that part's going to sit up here, and you just kind of want to line it up really well. Those little metal tabs here, you're going to see they're going to clip in over here. So you just want to line it up real good. Make sure you got a good seal. Make sure you don't break anything. But that's about it. Real simple, real simple. So let's get it on. All right, y'all. So that's it. That's the install. I'm about to crank this bad boy up, and I'm going to see if I hear any different noise. Y'all, so those are the comparisons. You don't really hear too much of a difference, so you know, it is what it is. But the good thing about it is a $40 filter, you can use it on either side. So if I wanted to take this filter out, put it on the transmission side, and then put a breather on this side, I can do that, and I'm not wasting any money to switch over to filters. I can also clean this filter, re-oil it, and use it as many times that is allowable. So still a good purchase for 40 bucks. You don't have to worry about any filters. You can use it on both sides, and you don't really have to worry about wasting any money. So anyway, y'all, that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what y'all think. This filter versus the breather. What do you think is better? What did you go with? As far as the breather, what kind did you go with? You know, just comment everything below, and let's talk about it. So for now, y'all, that's it, and we'll see you on